Let us try to create the calculator using function in JavaScript that will have 3 text box for taking the input in 2 text box and giving the output in the third for add, subtract, multiply and divide. Let us try to create this with the help of JavaScript functions. So we have defined the three text box and the 4 buttons for add, subtract, multiply, divide. Now we will define the functions for add, subtract, multiply and divide, through which we will calculate the given values. Let me copy and paste this method, as we have to only change the operator sign. So we are all up with the code. Let us try to calculate. It's not working, there may be some issue. So it is saying invalid left hand assignment. So we have given, okay, we have to use dot value, sorry, not here, over here. Let us run the page. Again it is showing. We have not saved the file. Let me save. So now it's working fine, but it is not calculating on the mathematical way. It is adding the strings. 21 plus 3, it is writing 213. We have to parse the value as integer. We have to apply the change on all the methods. Now let us see. So it's working fine for add, for subtract, for multiplication, yes, and for division. So it's working fine for all the 4 operations. Now let us try to define these things in a separate line, so as to make it good in look. Now it is looking pretty good. So let us define the table, and there we will define these label and text box and the button controls. It will look much better. Let me say it's a call span 2. Let us write calculator. This will be result, and this will be second number. At the end we have to use these text box. Let me just cut and paste this for the second number and this for the result. Let me add one more tr. This will be of call span 2, and we will add simply these 4 buttons. Let me align them properly. Now I'm I'm saving the file and just delete. There is no use for these elements. So we are all up now. See, it is looking much better and functionality is being performing as it is. There is no changes in functionality. Now let us add some style like border. Let's say double. Now let's see the output. Much better. Now let me add the style as center. So it is now, so it is working fine for all the operations. That's all. Thank you so much.